On Joyous Radio, the Christian internet radio that restores our heart and comfort our souls. This is BEBS, Be Established Breakfast Show. Join us. Chalo munye to join us because it's going to be a superb show. 7:30 we have Brother Tando Agamhlongo sharing the word of wisdom. 8:45 Peterson will be shaking poverty. We enter the market. Oh my God, it's going to be nice. Stay with us. Umsakazo wako Ochokozelayo. Joyous Radio, the Christian internet radio that restores our heart and comfort our souls. Phumlani see. Nzuza. Kanti-ke sisho njalo kamnandi bakithi sithi inhliziyo yami nginikela kuwe baba, the late worshipper Sifiso Ncwane ethi nje inhliziyo yami nginikela kuwe kanti kadethi siyakhuleka sithi bayede baba. I know ukuthi abaningi njengamanje who are listening bayezwa lento lena ukuthi hey le ndoda lena bekuyindoda enamandla bekuyindoda ebishaya bayajabula ukuthi awu madoda, this music still heals us. This music, even if it's normal, but this music still take us to another level. Kanti-ke don't forget ukuthi sihamba nawe kumnandi kakhulu. You can contact us, Joyous Radio.